Everyone, it's Dustin with TechMD. Today, I got the Motorola Razr. Finally, it came in. I'm very excited for this phone. I've enjoyed the Samsung Z Flip, and that review video will be coming here shortly, probably the next week or so, because I want to review both of these and see how they are compared. We're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up because I just can't stand it anymore. I got it a few days ago, and my camera guy has been out of town. Trying to find the best way to cut this open here. There we go. Let's. Whoa! Look at that. Oh yeah! How exciting! Whoa! That is crazy. This is significantly heavier. Wow, that especially bottom heavier versus this one is more top heavy. I am excited. Can't wait to use that Motorola phone. Let's get this thing out of here. Oh, there's a little instruction booklet. How nice. And we got a little adapter for the headphones, not a USB Type-C, unfortunately. Oh, it is USB Type-C. Oh, how nice. So they give you an adapter for old headphones, and then you can still use the USB Type-C. Let's check this out here. These are definitely different than, oh, which side's which? Does it say? They do say Razr on them. How do they fit in the ear? And this plug is on the bottom here. They're pretty comfortable, actually. And then we got our charger here. I do believe it's 25 watts as well as the previous ones from Samsung. So I think it's the same thing here. Fast charging. Very silky smooth. This is like really nice unboxing. And a really nice braided cable for the Motorola Razr. Overall, pretty impressive unboxing so far. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this phone. Let's peel off this plastic. God, this is crazy heavy. But it feels like just a solid phone. Like you're not gonna break it. Feels great on the face too. Wow. Like I have a little, I can put my finger here. It feels good to secure it. Versus here, there's nowhere to, my finger just dangles. That's nice. I really like that. Really, like I was debating, is it really worth $1,500? Because this is $1,500 plus tax, so it's about 16. This was $1,380 plus tax, so just under $1,500. We can see it fold. Very quiet fold. So the screen is definitely smaller compared to this one. Holy moly, what a difference. I can fit a lot more here than here. Looks like I need to activate this phone. As you can see here, it says, warning, do not apply screen protector as it may damage the display. So no zag, guys, sorry. No liquid glass, because it's plastic. So what's the point of that, right? It's checking for updates. This technology is so different how the screen folds too. Just watching it fold inward. It's very plasticky feeling. But you don't feel that same bump. More of a bump right, but not, you really can barely feel it, but there's a couple bumps. But it's very mild compared to the Samsung Z Flip. I've been using the Samsung Z Flip for the past week and absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use this though. This is exclusive on Verizon unless you buy unlocked. So we're going to copy from my backup from my previous Android phone, which is my Samsung Z Flip. We can't use Smart Sync on this one, or a Smart Switch. So my phone just said set up your Razr. I'm going to click Setup Device, and we're going to set it up. I have to put my passwords in. Wow, the keyboard is so tiny. It's asking for all my account passwords and stuff like that, so when I'm transferring it, then I'm doing this now. Just get it over with. That's it. That's all it needed was to copy the accounts. Oh, maybe it needs this again. Oh, it wants my screen unlock. So it's going to pull my apps, my SMS, text messages, the Wi-Fi, call history, calendar, contacts, photos, Gmail, and click restore here. Just go through that. We're going to set up our fingerprint reader. First, it has to ask you for a password. So the fingerprint reader is right here. Add another. I'm going to do our thumb because that would be the most likely one I'm going to do. And we're going to do the other thumb because we also sometimes open the phone up and use our left hand to log in. Okay. Oh, good old Google. Okay, everyone, I have been on the phone with Verizon for an hour and a half. No joke. Been trying to, I need a film today and I just don't have it. As you can see, I'm still on the phone with them. Can't believe it. Went to activation first, and then I went to tech support, and now I'm at max level tech support because they don't understand that this phone is an eSIM. That means there's no SIM card anywhere on this phone. And so it won't activate. I'm a brand new customer. But what I've found on the web here is Motorola's eSIM support activation. So I'm going to try that. And we'll see if it'll work if she can't help me. They're making me wait a long time trying to get this activated, and I don't think it's gonna work. So let's talk to Verizon here. Okay, so I've been on the phone for an hour when they called my phone back, which is this phone. And also, I was on the phone with Verizon for about 15 minutes prior to this. So I am thinking that my idea might work and your idea might not. So let me explain here to you. Motorola's website says, if you're a new customer, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Carrier, add carrier, then download your SIM, and then use the next screen. Use your camera app and scan this QR code below, which I have right here. If you're prompted to select a line, choose a new Verizon line for voice and messaging data. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once you've used cellular plan, add your notification, begin using your new service. So that's what Motorola says. And that's step 2. The step 1 is if you haven't already done so, you need to get a Verizon eSIM. If you're new Verizon, to sign up for Verizon services by downloading My Verizon app from Google Play Store or contact Verizon to add eSIM service. If you've already have a Verizon service using a physical SIM, please contact Verizon to add eSIM. So if you're already a user of Verizon, that's fine. It's easier to add, but if I'm new, I'm supposed to go through this other setup process. What do you think?
Nothing I see is saying anything about that.
Okay, but this is Motorola's own website. You would think.
And I'm truly not. I'm not far enough in it to say yes or no. You can go ahead and turn that device back on, though.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on this device, and I don't think it's gonna be activated, but one could hope.
We will cross our fingers. I don't think it will be either, but we're going to cross our fingers. Now that you have read the Motorola site to me,
Nope, it did not activate as expected. So I'm gonna try the Motorola way, and I'm gonna try the Motorola way, and we're gonna learn.
Yeah.
We're going to learn together because I'm putting this on YouTube. You are live. We need to educate our Verizon customers. So when it says click set up device there so it can connect here. I have to set up the device, so this will take a few minutes. Last time it took a long time to set it up, like, I don't know, 30 minutes and I just left the phone off to the side. So you guys are the max tech support level, huh?
No, I'm tier 2. So you have 3 and 4.
And you're 2?
I am.
Oh, okay. Well, they told me that I got to max, so that's interesting. You guys just keep on moving it up higher levels and higher levels until people figure it out.
That's what they tell me.
Oh, there has to be someone at Verizon that knows how to activate these super limited, very hard to get a hold of phones. Perks of being a YouTuber. Got to go through this fun stuff. Got to do it for the community. I'm not going to set up a fingerprint this time around. We're going to skip it because I want to get to the point here. Come on, come on, come on. No thanks. No thanks. And this is the part where it took forever. Adding finishing touches. Hopefully it doesn't do it. That's weird. It won't restore my backup. It just fails every time.
Probably will once you get it activated.
You gotta go through the reset again. But the problem is if I go through the reset again, man, oh man. That means that we'd have to reactivate the ESim because it looks like you have to have an app on your phone. So we still haven't found anyone who can help activate us, but we finally got past that finishing touches about 10 minutes later. Just go through this. Skip that. Well, let's go to the Google Play Store like it says. So we're going to download My Verizon. So let's go to Settings, Network and Internet. Mobile network. Advanced. Doesn't have add carrier. I'm going to delete this. Add carrier. Next. Scan the QR code. If prompted, select a default line, choose your new. Add a phone, okay, start. Okay. Turning off Wi-Fi here. Has LTE. I'm just calling my other phone number.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Please hold while your call is transferred to an external operator.
Oh man, still not activated. Even though I had 4G for a second. No data connection. Oh, yay. It just looks like it needed a few minutes. LTE kicked off.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
No. We got internet, but no phone service. Woo, look at that blazing speed of 3G. What is going on with this phone? So we have service, but no phone calls. It worked! Phone calls are finally working. Why the data transfer won't work, I'm not sure yet. See if I can still restore later.
Dustin?
You're finally back! I literally just got...
I'm really sorry about that, Dustin. I thought it was going to be a very quick. I actually reached out to Motorola. Motorola says that no, there is nothing, there's not any kind of special anything we're supposed to be doing to get your phone working.
Well,
And I said, well, it's not working. It won't get through the activation. What is yours? What is it saying now?
so after I did that setup where I told you you had to go and set it up, I deleted the Verizon ESim in there and then redid it. And it took a minute to activate. It got service first, data, and then it finally got phone service.
Okay, so now it's active and it's working and everything's good.
Yep, finally. So do you know how to
Alright.
restore your data with the phone already active?
Active. Okay. Before we do that, though, I want to send you a message. I want to send a text message to see if you get it. Okay?
Okay. I kind of wonder if it was the porting process that was taking a while. I got your text message.
That was lightning fast.
Yep.
Did you back up the previous phone to Google Drive?
Yep.
Or are you using Quick Transfer?
It was backed up to the Google Drive.
Under settings, you go to System and Backup.
System.
And the backup to Google Drive switch is currently on, right?
Yep.
And then your account is in there, right?
Yeah, my account's in there, but it never restored, all my apps and stuff. Not very helpful at all. Well, guys, this has been the Motorola Razr unboxing and setup. And I'll tell you this much, it was an absolute nightmare being on the phone for about 2 hours between her phone call and the previous phone call, just calling them. It was not easy to deal with. I transferred a number from T-Mobile and ported it in. It just wasn't working whatsoever. But if you have any activation issues or problems, I would recommend doing what I just did. Maybe that'll be helpful. But Motorola says you don't even have to do that, so who knows? She didn't even suggest it when she called them. So good job, Motorola, for the terrible eSIM setup. So far, I'm not impressed. We'll see. I'm gonna give this a week or two run and see how it is, and I'll be doing my review video on it shortly. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching our videos on how to set up and the whole unboxing experience here. More videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.